Do you want to live in one of the most sought-after Sunnyvale neighborhoods? Then you are watching the right video. This updated charmer is nestled at the crossroad of Cupertino and Los Altos. You're just a walk to top-rated Cupertino schools and the Anza, as well as the Homestead Crossing shopping center for all your grocery needs. You're also surrounded by major tech companies and with easy access to Highway 280 and 85, making commuting simple. Plus, downtown Sunnyvale and your Caltrain connection is only about 12 minutes away. Now, let's jump inside. Follow me. Welcome home. The gleaming hardwood flooring brings you into the sun-filled living room with dual-pane windows, resized lighting, and a cozy wood fireplace. The folding louvered doors open to a formal dining area and takes you into this spacious kitchen with granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, vast cabinet space, skylight, extra dining area, and a relaxing family room. Down the hall, we have 4 spacious bedrooms, each with their own closet, as well as 2 full bathrooms. The primary bedroom features dual closet, ensuite bathroom with stall shower, and a bonus office space, which is you can use as office or you can turn it into a walk-in closet. Outside, we have a beautifully landscaped backyard with tons of fruit trees, custom planter boxes, a pergola with built-in seating, and a storage shed. That brings my tour to an end. I'm RENNA, your neighborhood realtor. If you have any question, feel free to call at the number below. Also, be sure to click the like button and subscribe to stay up to date with all my future listings. And I will see you this weekend. Bye now.